Thank you for attending this webinar with your tech team. My name is Ryan O'Keefe, and let's get started today. So the agenda for today is we're going to talk about Section 179 and how to get yourself tax breaks by the numbers, what qualifies, what hardware and software qualifies for 179 benefits, then the benefits to your business of 179, what's next and how we can help you achieve these benefits, and then any questions will be answered at the end. So every business needs PCs, servers, printers, network gear, data security, hardware, and software. Fortunately, Section 179 of the IRS tax code lets small businesses better manage their IT budgets. You can write off the entire cost of computer equipment and off-the-shelf software purchased and put in use before December 31, 2015. And the Tax Foundation stated the most beneficial tax extender because it's broadly applicable and allows businesses to immediately deduct their investment in equipment and software. This is a huge saver of money for many businesses. Section 179 can change each year without notice, so it's best to take advantage of this generous tax code while it's available. Get with a professional tax advisor now to make sure that you can verify your company properly exercises the Section 179 deduction this year. Once you have consulted your accountant about the benefits of Section 179, you can start finding out what the end-of-year technology tax can save your business, and it can save you thousands of dollars. I want to highlight here that it is very important to consult your tax accountant because while we can help you, we aren't able to advise you on tax matters. So by the numbers, so most people think Section 179 deduction is some mysterious or complicated tax code. It really isn't. Essentially, Section 179 allows small businesses to deduct the full purchase price of qualifying equipment and software bought or financed during the current tax year of up to $200,000. That means if you buy or lease a piece of qualifying equipment, you can deduct the full purchase price from your gross income. It's an incentive created by the U.S. government to encourage businesses to buy equipment and invest in themselves so they can keep growing and generate good GDP growth. Section 179 can have the effect of reducing the cost of technology purchased by as much as $25,000. In addition, special offers may be available on particular items. So typically, when your business buys certain items of technology, you get to write them off a little at a time through depreciation. For example, if your company spends $50,000 on a machine, it could be able to write off $10,000 a year over a 5-year period. Typically, when your business buys certain items of technology equipment, you get to write them off through depreciation again. And depreciation is fairly simple. If you buy an item that will benefit you for over a year, you have to take the expense related to that item, known as a fixed asset, over time instead of the year you buy it. While we could debate all day long what is considered benefiting you over a year, the guidance is mostly related to software and tangible big-ticket items, like computers and other network hardware. Instead of estimating the life of the item you purchased, the IRS has released a table including hundreds of items. As a general rule, software is 3 years, equipment is 5 years, and everything else not attached to the ground is 7 years. For example, if your company spends $50,000 on a machine, it could be able to write off $10,000 a year over 5 years. It's true, this is better than no write-off at all. Most business owners would really prefer to write off the entire equipment purchase price for the year they buy it. If businesses could write off the entire amount, they might add more equipment this year instead of waiting for the next year. That's the whole purpose behind Section 179. It's to motivate your business to move in a positive direction by investing in yourself. Section 179 tax break works like this. For most small businesses, the entire cost up to $25,000 can be written off on the 2015 tax return. The deduction applies to both cash and lease purchases, so you don't have to pay the entire cost upfront. As long as you begin the lease by December 31st, you can still deduct the full price from your 2015 taxes, even though you may be paying off the lease during the next 3 to 10 years. So what kind of things can you deduct? Most businesses choose to deduct hardware, including workstation, laptops, tablets, smartphones, servers, printers, and the rest of that list. However, many business owners don't realize that software can also be deducted, whether it's financed or leased. And this could be an upgrade to Windows 10, or a Linux operating system or anything like that. However, the things that are not allowed are cloud-based software purchases. They are not applicable under 179, unfortunately. So why spend money? It saves money. By you can deduct the full $25,000 if you spend $200,000. It saves lots of money. It reduces downtime. If you have new equipment, that means less downtime. If you have new equipment, that means it improves productivity, and it keeps everything running smoothly. Now the time is ticking, and like I said, 179 can change each year without notice, so this might be the last year you can take advantage of this great tax break. But it's also very important to consult your tax advisor before 12/31/2015. So once you have consulted your accountant about the benefits of Section 179, you can start to find out what end-of-year technology tax moves can save your business thousands of dollars. Remember that purchases made throughout the year also qualify for end-of-year savings. However, there are limits and conditions with this, but most new or used equipment qualifies. So if you're purchasing software, computers, hardware, servers, phones, or other business machines in 2015, it's wise to close the deal before the end of the year to get the most bang for your buck. So let's get started today. Your tech team is actually offering a free complimentary tax break consultation where we'll take you through Section 179 and what equipment your business needs in the next year to greatly benefit and improve your uptime and save you thousands of dollars. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please give me a call at 732-667-3409. And my name is Ryan O'Keefe. I'm with your tech team, and thank you very much.